Welcome dear friends. I hope you are enjoying all my videos. So today I am going to make an Andhra dish for you. It's a very popular street food of Andhra Pradesh. It's called Uggani. It's made from puffed rice. And unlike other Andhra dishes, this is not at all spicy. It can be served at any time of the day. And in Andhra usually they serve mirchi bajjis along with it. So let's go and prepare the Uggani. These are the ingredients for making Uggani. Check out the quantities here in the list. Now take a wide pan, add the puffed rice, pour sufficient water to soak them. Fill the water up to the brim so that the entire puffed rice is covered well. Cover the pan and set it aside for 5 minutes. Now open the lid and check out if the puffed rice are soaked. They seem to be ready. Now take a large strainer and drain out the water from the puffed rice. Press with hand and remove all the excess water. Now transfer them into a large bowl. Now add the roasted gram powder, salt, red chilli powder, roasted cumin powder, and turmeric powder. Mix everything well. This can actually be prepared ahead of time also, and to make things easier when you are making Uggani. All you have to do is add the tempering and toss. So let's set this aside. Take a pan, add oil, when the oil is hot, add the Asafoetida first. Now add the tempering ingredients, the cumin seeds, mustard seeds and the broken red chillies. Allow them to crackle. Now I am adding the curry leaves and green chilies, followed by the sliced onions. Stir them. Cover the lid and simmer so that the onion gets cooked. After half a minute, open the lid and continue to stir. Saute it until we get a light brown color. Now dip in the soaked puffed rice. Stir with a spatula. All you have to do is just mix everything together. It just takes about 1 minute for the uggani to get cooked. You don't need to add any water to it. Just toss it. Add the coriander leaves. Give it a stir. And your uggani is ready to be served. As simple as that. It's a very easy dish. Now you can transfer it into a serving dish. I usually serve this for breakfast also, but without the bhaji. This can be eaten any time of the day, actually. You can serve it for breakfast or even brunch. Now here's the mirchi bhaji to go with it. Yeah, uggani is ready to be served. That was really simple, isn't it? I hope you liked it and you are all going to give it a try at home. And do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. If you press the bell icon, you will get the notification about all my videos whenever I post them. Thank you.